Hey guys, so this is the Oukitel WP28, which is expected to succeed the WP26, the rugged phone that has a huge camping light at the back. So this device is expected to succeed that rugged phone. The WP28 is going to be launching very soon, but there is no exact launch date yet, but I believe the device will be released in July. Anyway, in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys the top specs of this phone, or rather the specs that are currently leaked, because majority of the specs of this phone are still not revealed. Like I said earlier, I'll share with you the specs that are currently out. If you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's quickly dig into it. So the WP28 has a rugged design. At the back, there's a round-shaped camera module that contains what seems to be dual cameras and a flash. According to the leaked specs, the phone has a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with an IPS LCD panel. The refresh rate is just 60 Hz. The phone would also utilize 8GB RAM and is going to have a 256GB internal storage that I believe could be expanded. The RAM is also expandable. According to the details, an additional 7GB can be taken from the device's internal storage and added to the device's original RAM, giving you 15GB RAM in total. The battery capacity of the phone is said to be 10,600 mAh, and I believe it's going to support fast charging. Under the hood, the phone is expected to be powered by the Unisoc T606, which is a low-end processor. It's actually disappointing in my opinion. It means this rugged phone, which is expected to succeed the WP26, isn't as powerful as the WP26. And as for the cameras, the device is expected to have a 48MP primary sensor and a 5MP front-facing camera. So these are the top specs of the Oukitel WP28 that are currently reviewed. Once I get more details about this device, I'll update you guys. If you'd like to share anything about this rugged phone, then feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more tech updates, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.